everybody, Quinkit here. Today I'm going to be showing you a $10 collection, $25 collection, $50 collection, $100 collection, and $250 collection. And this is how I prefer to grow your collection. And after that, it is your path. In fact, it is all your path. But this is how I think you should start a collection. From beginner till you keep on growing it, more and more value. Let's get onwards. Okay, so we're going to start off with the $10 collection, and I like doing like type coins, so I was thinking, first of all, to start off a collection, everybody knows wheat cents are a super good beginner coin. This is $10, so like Morgan dollars are super good to start as well, but they're not in that price range. I was thinking maybe a silver quarter and a silver dime. Mercury, an older one, better, different design, that still melt. And maybe just a random Indian head cent, not probably in 1982, but a common worn one. And it would just be good to start off with different type coins. I always think just starting off a collection with different type coins is the best. And wheat cents don't take up too much value, so a whole roll of those for about $2 would be good. So I was planning the value around $2 for a roll of wheat cents, $5 for a quarter, $2 for the dime, and just an Indian head cent could be $1, just a random slick 1800s one. And that's a good $10 collection in my opinion. Next up, let's bring the $25 one. For the $25 beginner collection, you'll notice it's a lot of the same coins, and I've decided as we get more expensive, I'm just gonna keep adding type coins because I'm thinking like as you're growing a collection, first it's $10 and it's 25 and on and on. I think what you'd add next is maybe a silver $half. So I added a cool 1953 Benji, which would probably go for a melt, which is about $10. A BU Weedy would be nice for the collection. They're cheap, only $1. You should get your first war nickel. These are cheap as well, and only silver left that you're missing. Just a common 42p worn. This is a super nice coin to have in a beginner's collection. Just a 1943 steel cent. Lots of history behind this, and it's cheap. Just a Liberty V nickel and a Buffalo nickel just to have some more type coins. Now let's get onwards and add some coins to make this collection a $50 one. So I couldn't add much coins, and I'm now realizing as your collection grows, you do start adding a lot of more expensive coins. But I decided for another $25 markup, 2 more type quarters. And this is a super cool piece, a 2-cent piece. And it's something that doesn't exist today, so that's something new and cool for your beginner collection. And just a proof coin, just to have. Super nice coin. Then as you keep on collecting, you could make the proofs older and older. Now I'm gonna do a massive markup, and let's just add it right up to a $100 collection and add a bunch of new type coins. For the $100 markup, there's only 2 coins to add that it's good to add to a beginner collection, and those are silver dollars. One of each type, a Morgan dollar and a Peace dollar. The Peace dollar doesn't have to be so nice, and maybe if you're lucky enough, you could get 2 cool ones for like 20 bucks each. But usually Morgans have high premiums, Peace a little lower but still premiums. And these 2 pieces you could easily get for 50 bucks, especially 50 bucks you could get 2 in pretty nice shape. And I think what I'm gonna do now is mark it up to $150 rather than $200. As for the $250 collection, there's 2 rows to add, which I can't fill out every type coin, and of course it's super hard. There is that amazing 20-cent piece, which in the lowest grades could still be at least a $60 coin. And there's lots of tough coins to get, but that's for you onwards after your $200 collection. But as for more type coins, I'd probably get a silver world coin, which would be $2 more. These rows should cost $150 to be a markup from $100 to $250, which by the way I said $150 by accident in the last clip. But yeah, $2 for a Canadian silver dime probably. You need a Roosevelt silver dime, you still don't have that, so that's a good type coin to have. Just a random common one for another $2. A half dime could go for around 25 bucks. So far that's at 29. You don't need an 1803 half cent, but just like a more common later date would go for around 25 bucks, which would bring us up right now to what, $54 or so. A 40% silver $half, you don't have this one yet, and it's just a good type coin to have. Even though it's 40% silver, it's still got a good amount of melt. And then a few Type half dollars. You don't have a 90% Kennedy, a Barber half, or a Walking Liberty half, so $30 more for those. Plus that would all be $35 more to well, I've forgotten the price, but maybe for just this scene, I'll just be keeping it up here in the corner, right over there. We've got a 3-cent piece, which you could probably get one in lesser condition on eBay for like 15 bucks. See the dime, you could probably get one of those for 20 bucks, 15 bucks. Mine's a bit rarer, 25 bucks. I'm gonna say for that one, just because, just for that. A Barber dime, you need one of these for your typeset, especially a large cent. Actually, that's a super good coin to have, and it's always nice to have a slab coin in your collection. So yeah, a nice and for slab coin, when you start off your collection and you want a slab coin, I'd tell you to get a cheaper one, like either a BU wheat cent or just like a nicer lower grade dime. Just a cheaper one, just to have a slab coin that's cheaper and to help grow the rest of your collection. After this, it's your journey onwards. Whether you want to collect more silver world coinage, just grow your silver stack, or grow your typeset and get those 20-cent pieces, all the large cents, all the half cents. If you want, you can continue on to the gold coins. And good luck with your collections, everybody. Last note, it would be good to get a bunch of albums. I have 6 albums here for all types of coins. And I got these all for about 5 bucks each, which are good to have. You should get a few flips, all the denominations, and just plastic folders for your coins. It's just super good to keep those loose ones all over. And on that final note, good luck with your collections, everybody. Can't believe it. I have all my coins out and I've made a stupid mistake. Under 1976 bicentennial, I've accidentally pushed the bicentennial inside the typeset. And I can't get it out. What do I do now?